Once you've purchased and downloaded your professional package, you'll receive a zipped file with the following components. Logomaker allows you to generate logos in multiple file types and color combinations. With the professional package, you'll receive JPG, PNG, and SVG files of your logo. You'll also get your logo in vector format and in different color variations based on your palette. We've also saved you time and energy by transforming your logo into social media compliant graphics. Finally, and most importantly, Logomaker generates an entire branding kit with everything you need for your business. It's complete with a logo narration, a logo rationale, relevant color and font information, and mockup samples.